Welcome to the Boat Show. I'm Bill Hackett. Today we're lucky enough to be coming to you from Bertram. Let's talk about the brand for a second. When we talk about Bertram, it is the brand in America that has so much history. And when you buy a Bertram, you buy it and you hand it down from generation to generation. Today we're lucky enough to be checking out the 39 center console. Such a beautiful boat. If you're a gentleman and you like to fish and you like to have fun on the water, this is a fantastic boat for you. So step on board with me and I will show you around. So the 39 is powered by Mercury Verado 600 V12s. What that does for you, because it's fixed here on the aft end, we have plenty of room to get around on the transom on either side. And then on the starboard side, we have a starboard side transom gate so we can gain access to the boat. Here we are in the aft end, the cockpit area, and I love it back here because it's so beamy. On the port side, I have a port side boarding door, and again, I'm gonna bring that big tuna on board, I'm gonna slice it up, and on the port side, I got a nice grill in the aft end with fresh water. Then behind that, I have live wells that are glass top. Then I have a flip up, flip down seat, so I can relax on the ride in and out, or I can tuck it away and fish all the afternoon long. And then underneath my feet, what do I have? I can spin the net on the hook. I have a nice Maze generator under there, spend hours out here on the hook. I got fish boxes in the aft end. Everything you need for a great fishing trip is right here at hand. This boat is 40 feet, 3 inches long, and it's got 13 feet, 3 inches of beam. How fantastic is that? And look how high the freeboard is. It's super safe on board, and they really use the beam well aboard this boat. Now this boat holds 500 gallons of fuel. It can go 400 miles, and it tops out at about 60 miles an hour. You can't get any better performance. You gotta love it with those Merc 600s on the back. So the Bertram 39 has a displacement of 17,359 pounds. Amazing weight for a boat this size, and that's dry weight. But now, gentlemen, let's talk about the refinements. First, the logo just below me on the aft-facing mezzanine seat. Gorgeous. Then we have release marine seats. It really adds to the style and to the swagger of this boat. And then the upholstery is absolutely supple, and the stitching is beautiful and on point. So what I love about Bertram is how they use space. First, the freeboard, I love how high it is, and that 13 feet, 3 inches of beam really shows up here in the bow as well. Very unusual. Forward of the helm, we have a 3-person lounger with arm cushions that flip down, cup holders. And one of my favorite parts of the boat on both the port and starboard side behind the forward-facing seats here are fender lockers, right? We want our fenders up, we want them out of the way. It is a great use of space, tucked away, nice and neat and clean, just the way I like it. So then we have these 2 forward loungers up here, so you can relax in the sun all day long. You got your cup holders, everything you need. And really, it's a nice U-shaped setup up here. In addition, we have the beautiful Bertram logo. We got speakers. You're gonna have a great day, whether you're out for the dock and dine for the evening or off to the sandbar. Bertram, again, the details are just exquisite up here. A quad chair sit-up, remember the release marine seats we have. We have great visibility with 3 sides of glass. And then when you're ready to take the wheel, you're gonna do it confidently up here. I have a twin Garmin array. I also have my Mercury controls. I also have my Mercury joystick, right? The Mercury joystick, it's skyhook, so you can keep it on station, or if you want to get it in and out of the dock, you can with ease. We have our Mercury vessel view overhead. We have storage overhead. We also have storage here, and we also have more storage for tackle below as well. This really is a well thought out design, great visibility, and you're going to be super safe when you're handling this boat. When you step down below, the craftsmanship, the artistry really follows down here to a point. Ladies and gentlemen, this is beautiful down here. The wood trimmed glazing on here, the finishes on the sink. Of course, we have all the comforts of home here. We have refrigeration here, a nice, beautiful bed, a well-detailed head. We have a microwave. air conditioning that you can run all night long because we have that Maze generator. Really, the finishes in here are just gorgeous. Absolutely, the woodwork, the finishes on the doors, it really is well appointed. You're gonna fall in love just like me. The Bertram logo is absolutely gorgeous, but it really represents a legacy of beauty, and it starts from the Moppy and it really continues on right here to the 39 center console, right? What you need to do is you need to step on board, you need to see the refinements, you need to see the finishes, but most importantly, you need to step on board and take it for a sea trial to see how this bad boy handles.